Welcome to Verona, the enchanting city of love and history. Nestled in the heart of Italy, this picturesque destination is not just the backdrop for Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. It's a treasure trove of breathtaking sights and unforgettable experiences. In today's video, we'll explore the 7 best things to do in Verona, from its iconic landmarks to hidden gems that will make your visit truly magical. So, grab your passport and let's dive into the beauty of Verona together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you. Number 7. Casa di Giulietta. In a country renowned for its romantic heritage, Casa di Giulietta stands out as one of the most iconic symbols of love, drawing countless visitors to Verona each year. This 13th century house is traditionally believed to be the birthplace of Juliet, the heroine from Shakespeare's timeless play Romeo and Juliet. Although there is ongoing debate about whether the historical Juliet ever lived here, or even existed in real life. The house once belonged to the Capello family, whose name closely resembles the fictional Capulets. Despite the uncertainty surrounding its historical authenticity, the allure of this romantic legend has not deterred tourists. Casa di Giulietta's famed balcony, where Shakespeare's Romeo is said to have declared his undying love for Juliet, has become one of the most photographed spots in the world. Interestingly, the balcony was only added in the 20th century as a tribute to the famous play. But this fact does little to diminish its popularity. Visitors eagerly stand beneath it, often reenacting scenes from the play or leaving notes of love and hope on the walls below. Inside the house, there's a modest display of items related to the Romeo and Juliet legend. Among the highlights are the bed and costumes from Franco Zeffirelli's lavish 1968 film adaptation of the story, which brought the tragic romance to life on the big screen. Although there aren't many original artifacts to explore, the house's atmosphere, combined with its connection to one of the greatest love stories ever told, creates a sense of nostalgia and magic. Visitors to Casa di Giulietta often linger in the courtyard, where a bronze statue of Juliet stands, symbolizing love and devotion. Tradition holds that touching the statue's right breast will bring good luck in matters of the heart, and countless travelers have done so, leaving the statue with a well-worn shine. Nearby, the walls of the house are covered in love letters, scribbled notes, and locks left by hopeful romantics who believe in the power of Juliet's story to inspire love. Number 6. Verona Arena. Few travelers can boast about attending an event in a 2,000-year-old Roman amphitheater, but those visiting Verona have the chance. This open-air structure, the 3rd largest in Italy, has been a venue for events since 30 AD. Originally built to accommodate 30,000 spectators for gladiator battles, it now holds up to 15,000 for modern events. The amphitheater's elliptical design enhances its acoustics, making it a perfect setting for everything from pop concerts to Puccini operas. Every summer, it hosts a renowned opera festival, where opera lovers illuminate the venue with small candles. To escape the large crowds and unpredictable summer weather, spring and autumn are the best seasons to visit Verona. Between April and June, and from September to October, travelers can take advantage of lower prices, shorter lines, and pleasant daytime temperatures, ranging from 18 to 26 degrees Celsius. While July and August are peak travel months with high heat and steeper costs, they also coincide with the spectacular Verona Arena opera season. Number 5. Piazza delle Erbe, one of Verona's most vibrant squares, has a rich history that stretches back to ancient Roman times, when it served as the city's central forum. In its early days, the piazza was a bustling hub of public life, where chariot races and other public events were held. Over time, the square evolved into a lively marketplace, earning its name from the herbs that were commonly sold there. Today, it remains a bustling center of commerce, where visitors can browse stalls offering not only fresh herbs, but also fruits, vegetables, and other local farm produce. The piazza is an ideal spot for travelers looking to assemble a fresh local picnic before exploring more of Verona's sights, such as the nearby Lamberti Tower, which offers panoramic views of the city. In the heart of the square stands a beautiful medieval fountain, topped by a statue of the Virgin of Verona, a beloved local symbol. Surrounding the piazza are several historic buildings, many of which feature frescoed facades, adding to the square's charm. Among these are the Mazzanti houses, adorned with vibrant Renaissance-era frescoes, and the Torre del Gardello, a 14th century clock tower that adds a sense of grandeur to the square. Number 4. Basilica of San Zeno Maggiore. The Grand Basilica of San Zeno Maggiore, dating from the 11th to 12th centuries, is regarded as the finest Romanesque structure in northern Italy. Its striking facade, composed of alternating layers of brick and white tufa, is accompanied by a slender Romanesque bell tower, 1045 up to 1178, and a 14th century battlemented defensive tower from a former Benedictine abbey. While you enter through the elegant Romanesque cloister via a side gate, don't miss the bronze doors at the front, featuring remarkable Romanesque reliefs of biblical and secular scenes. Inside, the basilica has a unique 14th century timber roof and exquisite Romanesque capitals. The aisles are decorated with frescoes dating from the 13th to 15th centuries. In the choir stands a 14th century marble figure of Saint Zeno, the 4th century bishop of Verona, whose reliquary is housed in the crypt, a unique space as large and prominent as the chancel above it. On the high altar is a 15th century painting of the Madonna with Saints by Mantegna. On the third Sunday of each month, Piazza San Zeno hosts a popular flea market, offering everything from local salami to antiques. Number 3. Piazza Bra. The arena occupies one side of the expansive Piazza Bra, directly across from Palazzo Malfatti, designed by Michele Sanmicheli. Next to the long structure of the Gran Guardi, the former guardhouse from 1614, stands the gate and tower of Portoni della Bra, the iconic entrance to Piazza Bra in the historic city. Beneath its Romanesque arches is a bust of William Shakespeare, along with a quote from Romeo and Juliet that begins, "There is no world without Verona walls." On another side of the piazza is a long row of restaurants with sidewalk terraces, typically bustling with diners. If you venture through one of the nearby passageways into the maze of streets behind the restaurants, you'll discover several less touristy dining options. Two great choices are Torcolo on Via Carlo Cataneo and Ristorante Nastro Azzurro on Vicolo Listone. Number 2. Day trip to Sirmione and Rocca Scaligera, located at the tip of a long promontory extending into the southern end of Lake Garda, about 40 minutes from Verona. Sirmione feels like a scene from a movie. You enter the town via a drawbridge at the base of the picturesque 12th century Rocca Scaligera Castle, built by Verona's ruling Scaligeri family. After exploring the castle's restored rooms, you can climb the tower for sweeping views of the lake and town. Sirmione's main street is lined with chic shops, perfect for a leisurely stroll. You can walk or take the tourist trolley to the far end of the peninsula, where the Roman poet Catullus, who lived between 84 and 54 BC, built a villa to enjoy the natural sulfur springs, now part of a luxury spa. The ruins of his villa, known as Grotte di Catullo, are expansive and worth visiting for both their historical significance and stunning views of the lake. Number 1. Castel San Pietro. Castel San Pietro is a hilltop fortress in Verona, built in the 19th century in the Austrian style and surrounded by cypress trees. It offers stunning panoramic views of the city, including the Roman Theater and the Adige River. The castle stands on the site of Verona's earliest settlements, and visitors can still see ruins of ancient buildings dating back to the 7th century BC. In Roman times, the hill was considered sacred and was known as Rooster Mountain. Many of the historic structures on the site were destroyed during Napoleon's invasion of Verona in 1801. After the Austrian army defeated the French in 1805, they constructed the fortress you see today, which served as an army base and barracks for hundreds of soldiers. While the interior of the buildings is not open to the public, visitors can explore the grounds. The steep walk or bike ride up, or a trip on the funicular, is well worth it for the breathtaking views from the top. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.